Yeah, yes, Mr. Guerrero?
Oh, yes, ma'am. So it starts in December, right? So I have to pay the 351 in December, the 400, right, in December.
Yes, it will begin December 1st.
Okay, and the pending one that you said, I can pay it, like this month, next month, right?
Is that on the arrearage?
Yes.
Okay, yes, that obligation would also begin on December 1st. The
Oh, okay, all right.
$25 on the, yes. Mhm.
Oh, okay. And what about this? The well, right now, because I was just giving for Xavier, right? Do I still have to give for him, or how does that work, or does it stop till December?
No, it'll continue the way that it is in the court order until December. And then on December 1st, this new obligation will begin.
Okay, and where do I send my money if I'm still not working?
Okay,
Like,
so right in the order, it's going to outline in the order where you will send it. It's an address, the state disbursement unit, which is in San Antonio, and the address will be in the court order.
oh, that you're gonna send?
Yes.
All right,
Will you,
sounds
will
good,
you
man.
put a star by it so he can see it?
Please.
Okay.
That's
Yes.
very, no, that's very helpful. Okay.
Yes,
It is.
All right. I've turned on the recording.
Okay.
Okay. Today's date is October 4th, 2001. In Gray County, Texas, I call cause number 38042 in the interest of the Guerrero children. What says the state?
The state's ready, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Neal. Also present by audio and video is Blanca Urrutia. How do you pronounce that, Blanca?
It's Urrutia.
Urrutia, thank you, ma'am. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes.
Also present by audio and video is Joel Guerrero. Are you ready, sir?
yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Neal, if you would announce the order, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Lee Neal for the Office of Attorney General. Your Honor, we're requesting that these orders be temporary, and Mr. Guerrero is currently unemployed, and so we use the minimum wage presumption to calculate that child support amount, and we were wanting to revisit the case in two to 3 months to see if we have any additional information as far as his earnings.
Okay.
And I would request that we enter as an exhibit, State Exhibits 1, the financial record relating to this case.
Admitted as states number 1.
Your Honor, we would like to establish Mr. Guerrero as the father of Eduardo Guerrero today. As far as conservatorship, we're requesting joint managing conservatorship, a standard visitation schedule, and then we have an arrearage of child support in the amount of $753.38. That is as of September 31st of 2021. And that's on the child support amount. And we're requesting that payments be made at $25 per month beginning December 1st on the child support. And then on the medical support, we have an arrearage of $730.73 as of September 31st of 2021, and requesting payments be at $25 on that beginning December 1st. And then the current child support calculated at $351 for the 4 children. He does have one other child that that resides with him, and then it would be a step down to $298, and then $245, and then $190 upon emancipation of the 4 children. And we would request that begin on December 1st of 2021. And then we're requesting that Ms. Urrutia be required to apply for health insurance for the children, and then a medical support in the amount of $50, also beginning on December 1st for Mr. Guerrero. And I believe that's the entirety of our agreement today.
All right. Ms. Urrutia, is that in fact the agreement you're making today?
Yes.
And you think it's in the best interest of the children right now?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Guerrero, is that the agreement you're making today?
Yes, ma'am.
And you also think it's the best for the children right now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let's set a date to come back. What does February 1st look like? Is that too early, Ms. Neal?
Your Honor, I think that would be fine.
All right. And then we'll come back in February, on February 1st, you'll get a new notice, just like you did for today's meeting. And with new numbers to call in and all, and we'll come back and check and see how everything is going.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm approving your agreement, and Ms. Neal is going to prepare those temporary orders for my signature. I will sign them. There is a period of 3 business days during which you could request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Vanderpool, and he'd start over, make his own decisions. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final, and you should get a copy in the mail or by email within about 2 weeks. So watch for that order. If you don't, call the Attorney General's office, Amarillo, and remind them to send you one. All right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that sounds fine.
All right. And look for that address, Mr. Guerrero. It's kind of in the middle of all the papers.
Okay, sounds good.
It's San Antonio. It's in San Antonio. You'll know it when you see it. Okay.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you all so much for all of your efforts to work this out. Good luck to you and your families, and I will see you on February 1st.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. See you
All
soon.
right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Your Honor.
That was everybody from this morning.
That's it for this morning. Okay. All right. Well, thank you.
Have a nice
I will
lunch.
see you. You too. I will see you back at 1:30. Thanks.
Okay. Bye-bye.